What's going on YouTube, man? We are back with another video, man. I hope y'all are loving the content. I keep saying love it, but y'all gonna love it. Eventually y'all gonna love it. Anyway, we is back at the lab, man. We is at the lab. I know y'all see the engine back here. I didn't take a video yesterday of us getting the engine in my car, in my trunk, and stuff like that, but y'all can see it right here. We got the engine in the trunk, man. We ain't need no U-Haul, man. You know what I'm saying? But today we got the engine here. And today we will be placing this engine in here. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? So we gotta make sure we wipe all, not wipe. What am I talking about? We gotta make sure we wire all this stuff up right. Especially like the bottom components to the engine or whatever. Other than that, we here, bro. It's like the playoffs. We in the playoffs right now. We got dropped it. Well, the exhaust already came with their little pieces. So hopefully, I should spray these down with some type of like WD-40 or something. Just so like the screws that I have for my exhaust go on easier. Other than that, I got the tubes for the coolant. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna take this off because I already got one here. Take this off. What else? I gotta put the what them things, the spark plugs in, stuff like that. But y'all don't think that this is the whole complete build. This is not the complete build, yo. We still got this block, and this is what the complete build is gonna be. Once we get it situated, once I get this engine in and back on the engine stand, I'm gonna start like going ahead and, you feel me, figure out what stage cam I want, what tune I want. Yeah, so y'all gonna see. It's a bit surprised. I had a lot of ideas in my head, so I've been thinking about what I'm gonna go with, but I can't let y'all know right now. So y'all just stay tuned, keep watching, and we're gonna go ahead and get in this video. What's going on YouTube, man? We is back with another video. Actually, this is gonna be considered one video. I was supposed to be like showing y'all the whole process of me putting the engine in my car, but sadly I had stopped recording because a lot of stuff was going on. But with that being said, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and we're gonna get into this update. So let's see, 3 days ago is when I first was starting on getting the engine put in the car. Everything was going well, you know. I was lining everything up. Well, actually, let me tell y'all this before. So even before I even put an engine in, and when the engine was out, completely out, I tried to plug the battery up and, you know, try to move the seat and stuff like that. For some reason, I was just trying to plug the battery up just to see what my interior would do. So I go to do that, and all of a sudden the windshields and stuff started moving. So I can go ahead and show y'all the video right here. So everything is literally functioning with no command. The ABS pump is pumping. Like if I had the horns plugged up, it'd be honking. The interior do not work, so I can't even control anything like that.
All right.
So once that started happening, oops, it was a gnat. Anyway, once that started happening, I just got completely like confused on what's going on. Like at first I was thinking it's just because the engine wasn't put in or anything like that. So I was like, okay, we're just gonna wait till we put the engine in. We got the engine. For those that don't know, on my Instagram, y'all go follow me right here. I update every day on Instagram, so just in case YouTube I don't post for a minute, y'all know what's going on. Anyway, I went to go get the engine. I didn't record that. Like, I was just hustling, trying to get everything in place. Got the engine installed, and got everything plugged up, wired up, and then boom, the problem still happened. So long story short, right now I'm just trying to come up with a game plan on figuring out what's wrong, figuring out what's going on with the ground wires, figuring out if I have something plugged in wrong, but I can't have something plugged in wrong because it was doing it without an engine in there. You know what I'm saying? So mainly I'm looking at grounds. Only thing I can think of for real is that the main ground wire that I'm talking about is not connected in the right spot because I have it connected to the transmission but not the engine block. But if the hot wire from the battery, if I have a lot of positive, if I have a lot of positive current going through the engine block, which is hot, so that means the engine is hot, everything get hot. In order for everything to do a complete circuit, I would have to literally connect the ground to the engine to the chassis so it can go back to the negative at the battery. I mean, that's the only thing that's making sense to me. Tomorrow I will bring y'all along. I haven't been charging my phone and stuff like that, so that's really why I haven't been bringing y'all and recording, and plus I lost my tripod in the house fire, so right now I got a cheap little $10 tripod, and we just gonna make it work, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna also keep y'all posted. Like, I promise y'all, I'm gonna start making content videos, man, for y'all, and making sure I'm like focused, because without y'all I can't make this happen. And you know what I'm saying, like, most of y'all know what y'all talking about, so I'm trying to keep y'all along for the ride, and we're gonna go ahead and get into it. But other than that, man, I hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I hope y'all day is going well. I hope everything is going well in y'all life. God is with y'all no matter what. He is with me. He is like right here, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm trying to carry a big smile. A lot of good news and stuff like that, but a lot of things be trying to like take all the good away. So one thing that I do have to work on for myself is focus on the things that are happening, not the things that could happen or not the things that won't happen, but I need to focus on the things that is happening to me right now. I need to just, instead of this little tiny picture I'm looking at, that tunnel vision, I need to think about the broader picture, the big picture. So, like I said, couldn't do this without y'all. I appreciate everybody that is subscribed, and also to those who are just now viewing, appreciate y'all. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead, keep y'all updated, and we're gonna tap in tomorrow.